Hey guys, it's Yvette and I'm here with my CatLadyBox. Okay, I'm gonna have to get Rhea to do that one for me. So here we have the CatLadyBox and Jelly Bean is like circling around my feet. There he is. Okay, so let's get this open so we can hand him his nip. That's what he's here for. Scoot your foot, buddy. Okay, what's that? Oh, he's excited now. He can smell the nip. Here is the artwork for this month. This is for March 2021. And the theme is springtime. Okay, Jelly Bean, he's trying to find his. Okay, oh, I'm so happy. They're actually announcing, Jelly Bean, you're making the, okay, just laying it, okay. They're letting us know that because of us, they were able to donate to these rescues last month. The Humane Society of Weld County, Cat Rangers, the Cat Shack, For Paw Love, and Wren Rescues. So I'm very happy to hear about that. I did know that they donated on our behalf from the proceeds that they get. I mean, obviously not 100% of the proceeds, but they do donate to cat shelters. And I'm so excited about that. So the featured cat lady artist is Louise Pigott. Louise is an illustrator from Cambridgeshire, UK. She is a proud cat mother to 3 fur babies, Pearl, Fifi, and Olive, who keep her company as she works from her home studio on various creative projects. She loves nature, animals, color, and all things magical. You can find more of her work on her Etsy shop at www.etsy.com/UK/shop/ oh geez, Lupiju. I'm gonna have to put that down in the comments, or at least in the description box, because let's just do that, okay? So you can go and click on it, or you may have to at least copy and paste it into your browser. So let's check out what's inside. Of course, Jelly Bean is sleeping on everything right now. He is trying to coat himself in. Let's see if we can get him. Jelly Bean, want to say hello? Oh, I'm trying to fix the camera. There he is. He is relaxing, chillaxing in the CatLadyBox because it's full of nip, and he likes that. Let's see if we can get that. Okay. All right. So I'm going to try to get something out from under him. Jelly Bean, I got to find something, buddy. Oh, I got something. Oh my, okay, I don't know what, oh, it's a pot of gold. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Look. So it is a lucky pot of gold, and it's got catnip in it, of course. Look, Jelly Bean. I'm putting the nib right by his nose. You want to sniff it? Dude. Y'all, I don't know what's up. He might just be, oh, okay, I just got a huge yawn. He's sleepy. Or he just woke up, one of the two. He probably wants dinner, to be honest with you. Okay, so here is our little lucky pot of gold. It is very adorable. Okay, so should I leave this here? And you'll play with it later? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see what else I can find under him. Okay, Jelly Bean, hold on, babe. Ooh, there's something. What is that? Okay, I've got something. Oh, this is cute. I think it's a trivet with a kitty cat face. And it's wood. Oop. Oh, it's a silica pack. Okay. Probably don't need that. That's what I'm thinking. But look how cute, you guys. It's a little kitty head. You like it? Yeah. And it has CatLadyBox on the back. And the little rubber feet. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Very cute. Okay, so that's gonna go in the kitchen. All right, Jelly Bean. What's under there? What's this? Oh, I think Mama's got a shirt. Oh! Oh, this is nice. Okay, so it is V-neck. It's short sleeve, and it says "Be kind." And of course, it's 100 feet long. It literally goes down to my knees, guys. But that's okay. I can, you know, sleep in it or whatnot. Oh, I love that. Do you love that? That's so cute. All right, so I'm gonna have to go throw that in the washer. Let me try to find something back here. Ooh, that's a kitty elbow. That's what that is. Oh, hold on, Jelly Bean. Ah, ooh, what was that? Okay. I don't know. I think I was pulling on his elbow, though. I don't know how that's comfy, buddy. Okay, this is... Oh, it's a kitty cat wireless charging pad. That's cute. Wirelessly charge your compatible devices with this adorable cat-shaped charging pad. CatLadyBox donates a portion of all profits to cat rescue organizations. Thank you for helping us help cats in need. Of course. All right, let's see. Okay, so it is white, and I'm thinking it probably has this little green ring, like whenever it's powered up. All right. Instructions. Connect wireless charger plate to USB power source with included USB power, adapter cable. When charger is plugged in and connected, the border of the charging plate will have a solid green light. To charge your device, simply place it on the charging plate. Your device should begin charging immediately. When the charger is in use, the border of the charging plate will have a blinking green light. If the device doesn't start to charge, please reposition it. Okay. And here's what it looks like. It's cute. It's got a little USB. The back has CatLadyBox on it and like some metal. And this is really cute. Here, Jam, you want to charge that up? Nobody's going to see you. You're like 8 miles from the camera. Okay, Jelly Bean, there is another kitty toy for you in here. Mommy's got to find it. Ugh, I don't know, buddy. I don't know what I did. Maybe there's not. Jelly Bean, maybe this is for you, buddy. Oh, no, look, yours is caught it was caught underneath you. Do you want to get over in the box again? It's okay, Scout. Scout just got... Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. I think it's a moth. I was going to say butterfly, but I think that's a moth. What is... That must be like the nip inside. What does it say? Oh! It says it's a meow-narc butterfly. That's pretty. What do you think, bud? What'd you think? Put it on his neck. What'd you think, buddy? Oh, we have Scout in the box. And right now, I know it's Scout because he's like scratched this little thing on his ear. Hold on, buddy. Let me cut off the tag. And so, right now, from the top, that's how I can tell him from Smudgy. Okay. Look, bud. Look. It's a little meow-narc butterfly. Oop, I'm trying to make him fly. I don't know how butterflies go. What you think, sweetheart? Okay. We got one more thing in the box, and it's for Mom. And it's in a box. It looks really cute like this. That looks like one of the pieces of artwork that we had before, actually. Oh, it's a stainless steel insulated bottle. Keep hot drinks cold. Hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. Artwork. Original artwork is Big Poppy Cat by Karen. Holy cow. I'm not going to be able to say her name, but... Oh, and it says it's dishwasher safe. That's nice. Let me put that down there. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. That is so cute. And then it says CatLadyBox right there. But look how cute. Oh my goodness. I love that. You guys like that? They might have extra in the CatLadyBox store, and you could buy one if you really like it. I'm just saying. Sometimes they don't have extras, but you never know. And this is, I just think this is super cute. All right, so that's everything that was in the box. What you think, buddy? Are you happy with the box this month? You seemed like it seemed very comfy. Oh, it's playing with the butterfly. Yeah? Yeah? I'm gonna put it on your neck. There you go. Okay, so thanks so much for coming and watching. I know some of you, this is your fave box to watch. It never fails that in this particular video, we always have a Mr. Jelly Bean. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks again for coming and have a great week. Mwah.